guys. So, do you guys want a real quick sneak peek at what's going on behind the scenes? Some of you will remember how this used to be. This is how it is now. That's not a permanent fixture, that just pops up and pops down. Currently, Paperman's currently gone to pick grandbaby number 2 up. So, yeah, that kind of corner there changes every week depending which grandbaby we've got when. But yeah, the big unit that used to be there with the CD player and all that lot on is now over there. I nicked it. But yeah, look at this, guys. Super quick sneak peek. It's mine. It's all mine. We finally got Taylor out of here and upstairs. He's loving it. Absolutely loving it. I can't say I'm loving him gone because I haven't had chance to do anything in here other than clean. And it's driving me insane because it's taking forever. But yeah, you guys already seen that I got that. The shelves done last week. That's changed again from the last video. I'm loving it so much more like that though. Still got things, I'm getting there, still got things piled up in bits, but I'm getting there. That's the thing now, we're just down to the bits. But yeah, that's my new hand stamping station. I'll talk more about that in the proper room tour when it's done. But yeah guys, we're nearly there. The finish line is in sight. And I am super duper excited. But oh my word, am I tired. I am exhausted. And look guys, look. I am so glad. Christine, thank you so blooming much. I'd completely forgotten about that. Despite 24 days of Vlogmas opening it. I'd completely forgot about it. It was upstairs in the bedroom. And yeah, I'd completely forgotten about it. But yeah, so thank you for reminding me about that. I was like, where's your advent calendar? I thought you were going to put it on the desk. I'm like, oh, so I were. Let's make room for it. Which actually, bringing that downstairs from upstairs sparked the whole rework of that before. So, but yeah, not finished. No empty spaces are going to be in this room, honestly. And yeah, guys, look, a quick what am I going to say? A quick tip, that's it, like hints and tips and tricks, whatever you want to call them. Curtain pole. Right, them curtains are what we use to shut this room off, but I'm not using them. I'm using the black screen. So the curtains are coming down. But the curtain pole, however, is going to stay up there. It's kind of up out the way, out of sight, out of mind. It's not going to be used for curtains. But guys, because it's all the way up there, yeah, I'll have to stand on a stool to get to it, but you know, that don't matter. But because it's all the way up there, out of the way, can't use it anywhere else in the house because it's a single pole, it's not big enough. I'm going to put my ribbon on it. I'm going to do like I do here and loop it through. Not tie it on, just loop it through. But I'm going to put all of my ribbon up there so that it's all dangling down. I mean, it's not going to dangle all the way down here or anything like that. It'll be up there out the way, apart from the tall people in the house. But I'm going to use that to store all my ribbons and sari silk and stuff like that, and it's going to look epic. But yeah, so I'm going to go. I just thought, seeing as how I've done loads of videos with no speaking,